Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We have some new releases today. We have the new Sunny Studio release. I'm going to share the Honeybee release. This was just released recently. And we also have a new CC Designs release, but I'll share that in a separate video because I have tons to share in this video. So we're going to start with Honeybee Stamps, and they had a very nice release. Here's a new slimline die. It's got some words in here, and I always have trouble reading the words upside down. I wish they would write the words on the packaging, but I could see that that says friend and that says mine. So there's a B, be mine, and T, Y, I'm not sure what that one says, and I think that says bee, like a bumblebee. That might say honey, honeybee maybe. And then there's the stitching slimline die. We have, so from the last release, they had this awesome pickup truck. I should grab that so you could see it because I still have that one available. It goes with their new stamps here. So if you picked this one up last time, it's called Big Pickup Tailgate. You're probably going to want to pick up the add-on. That way you can stretch your stamp for more occasions. Plus, it does come with all these sentiments that you can stamp into the license plate or in the back part of the tailgate here, which is really cool. And I've seen lots of people turn this pickup truck image into a card itself. So they turn that. We've got pickup lines that go with that. So all kinds of sentiments here. Thought you could use a little pick up. And then there's a coordinating die if you want to have your words all cut out. And this is the add-on, Loads of Love. So we've got some Happy Mail that you can stick in the back of that pickup truck. We've got some balloons in the shape of hearts. So perfect for like Happy Valentine's Day, or you know, you can use a little Happy Mail. There's birthday presents, so great for a birthday card. And then there's a floral, and there's a little sentiment that says just married, so perfect for different occasions. And this is a little trail that you can stamp at the back of your pickup truck, so it could be dangling down, perfect for wedding cards. And this is the coordinating die for that. Now this one here is my absolute favorite stamp of the release. This one is called Gal Pals. I love this image. And then these beautiful sentiments. I love the fonts. Nice and big. Best babe forever. BFF. To my bestie. Happy Galentine's Day. Beat my Galentine. Hey bestie. Hey. All the single ladies. Love you. Mean it. Hey girl. You're my forever Galentine. Hi sisters before misters, and gal pals for life. And then the coordinating die. I just love that image. So that is going to stamp, it looks like it's going to fit perfectly on an A2 size card base there. Now the next stamp here is called To My Better Half. We've got some toast, eggs, jam, some cute faces that you can turn these images into little cuties. And then we've got the sentiments, you make me melt, you're a good egg to my butter half, and some other ones here. And there is a coordinating die for that one. Love you s'more would go really nice with that stamp set. We got your coffee and your donuts and a s'more. And some sentiments. I don't know what I'd do without you. Every day I love you s'more. You're my cup of tea. I need s'more friends like you. I like that one. Here's a standalone die. This is called Lovely Layers. Really pretty floral or foliage, but with little hearts. I think that goes perfect with the stamp set here. This is Floral Bouquet wrap. So this is a little wrap that you can wrap around your bouquet of flowers there. I've seen some really cute ideas using vellum or like some kind of like tissue-y kind of paper to put around the flower bouquet. This one is called Love You Bunches. We've got some beautiful sentiments, nice and big. Sending you strength. You are my person. Our friendship isn't one big thing. It's a million little things. Thank you for making the ordinary moments extraordinary. Wrapping you in love, which would be perfect for this die here, and some other sentiments here as well. I do have the die for that as well. I think I forgot to grab it. This one is called Hugs Enclosed. So you've got your giant 6x6 background stamp there, nice big Happy Mail stamp, some envelopes, and some other sentiments. Handmade. I made this just for you. Hugs Enclosed. We've got some fortune cookie stamp sets here. So this is Fortunate to Have You. There's the little die here that will cut out the words and the cookie. So we've got a little flag that you can put there with your little fortune cookie sayings on there. And then I like this font here. Very cute. And this goes perfect with this second stamp set here, which is called Soy Mates. So you got your soy sauce. You've got pizza, sushi, hot sauce, and then the sentiments that go with it. You've got a pizza my heart, you make me so happy, you are so awesome, hey hot stuff, and some other ones there. And then this is the die. We'll cut out the sentiments and the images. And this also goes with that, that collection there. This is the fortune cookie slider. So this is a standalone die. It cuts out several layers to make the fortune cookies in different shapes as well. And these look really cool put together. If you look at the Honeybee YouTube channel, they show examples of all the items from the new release. And this is a slider where you can like slide out your fortune cookie message, and it looks like you broke open the cookie, which is super cool. You have to see it to understand what I'm saying. We've got a little stamp here, this little kiss. We've got some more smaller ones. This is the So Special. You've Stolen My Heart. The little waffle. So this is called a waffle lot. And that's the die for that one. And then this one is called Will You Be My Valentine? Will You Be My Galentine? And then this is the die. We've got Smooch, and it's coordinating little sentiments there. And then there is a die that you can pick up with the shadow. We've got Pretty Postage. So beautiful bouquet coming out of the envelope there. Missing You, Love Enclosed, Friend, and Hello for sentiments. We've got Heartbeats for You. So we've got some tomatoes, some beets, a cherry, pears, and a peach. Without You, Life Would Be the Pits. My Heart Beats for You. We're the perfect pair. You're a peach. I love you from my head, tomatoes, to my toes, tomatoes. And then we've got the Adore with coordinating sentiments, and the Honey with coordinating sentiments. And then there's that large honey with the shadow. And some background cover plates. This one's really cute. They have a stencil with the same design with those hearts. Very, very pretty. Here's some more stencils. So this one has little quilted hearts on it. This is a two-piece stencil, so you get two stencils in there. These are the clouds. They're called wispy clouds, and there also is a stencil for those. Paris skyline, so a little die with these little Paris buildings. And then this is the skyline stencil there. Radiant heart background, and then there's coordinating stencil for that. This one's called Honey Bunnies. Got the die. The die does cut out the inside here for those little bunnies. And then we also have Enjoy the Ride with these cute little bunnies. And the die does cut out the inside portions from the bikes and the scooters. We also have Enjoy the Ride with the die. It also cuts out the inside of the scooter and the bike. And look how cute that is. Just adorable. So great release from Honeybee. Now from Sunny Studio, we have some really cute goodies here. So here's the die for this stamp called Eggs to Die For. And you get all these cute patterns for your egg. And what's so cute about this is that you can stamp on these little faces and little feet. We've got a little bunny rabbit and a little chick, and there's the little ears for the bunny rabbit. So you could turn the egg into characters. Super cute. May your Easter basket be filled with, and then you can put happiness. And there's this awesome little basket stamp set. It's perfect. Layered basket, so it makes it look 3D. This is the die. It comes with a little sentiment, which is, I think it says spring. And then it does cut out the little ladybug. So there's a little there's a little layered ladybug as well. And this also goes with this stamp set. So I love how you can like use all your stamp sets together. This beautiful layered, it's called Captivating Camellias, and we've got a bunch of layers to create a beautiful 3D flower. And there's let's see, 1, 2, I think there's 2 different flowers, and there's a leaf, and there's a ladybug. It's all labeled with the numbers and the letters there. And then we've got the Country Scene stamp set. So beautiful for, looks like you can use this all year round. I mean, you can even use this one for winter, this one for spring and summer, same with this. So perfect for creating backgrounds. And then there is a die if you wanted to cut out those layers. We've got 2 inside greetings. So we've got the sympathy and the birthday. These are perfect for the inside of your card. You can use them on the outside as well, but you got a nice long sentiment for the inside of your card. Let's read a couple of these. To the one person who's always there for me, I hope your big day is as wonderful as you are. And then we've got may the knowledge that so many people are thinking of you in some way bring you comfort and peace. So we've got some cute fairies. This is called Garden Fairy. Adorable little fairies with a little mushroom house and some flowers. There's a snail and some butterflies, lots of twinkles, and some sentiments. And then the coordinating die for that as well. A cute little kitty one. This is called Meow and Forever. I love the cute little kitties snuggling up. Their tails are together to look like a heart. That one's really cute. Oh, the one in the box is adorable. And then the coordinating die for that one as well. And then a really cute balloon ride one. So this one's called Balloon Rides. Love the cute little characters with their little paws be hanging over the little balloon carrier there. A cute sun and a house. Some banners that you could decorate your balloon with. Some clouds. And that's the coordinating die. So it will cut out the inside there. Perfect, so you can add your little character. A cute little stamp called My Otter Half. adorable fuzzy little otters. Super cute. And the die does come with a bonus little word die that says otter. And then for their little stamps, we've got a lovable llama. We've got a cute little frog one. I'm about to, my batteries are about to die, so I'm gonna go really quick. We've got the slimline banners. Super, super